Hello. Okay, so welcome to the Erna project. This is a little fun video. We're kind of going to discuss the universe that inhabits Erna. This is a rough kind of outline. Ignore all the particles. This is something I tried to do earlier that didn't really work out, but this is essentially my best attempt to try and create a whole universe in the Universe Sandbox. I'm not particularly good at it, but yeah. See, I can't see it. Actually can't see it now. So, let's start off, obviously, with the big boy. We got Iris. This is the main sun. This is literally just our sun, because it's just what Iris is. This is the sun of, Erna. The next planet we have is Mar. This is the closest planet. The equivalent to this on Earth would be Mercury. This would be Mercury. This is planet initially um, discovered by this dude named Edgar von Lenchner in the year 1699. So that's a little fun fact for you. The next planet we go to, I'm pretty sure is Erna. Yeah, the next planet is Erna. This is boring. I just use an Earth because that's easier than making my own planet. So that's just Erna. It's Erna. The next planet is Dedulo. Obviously. It's a very rocky planet. It's just out of the thing. This would be kind of like a Mars a bit, except it's not habitable at all. Why is weird? Why is water? Let's do that custom. Let's get water off the surface. All right, so there's no water on the surface on Dead Dedulo. That's how you say that. This was initially discovered by Armand uh, Himmery in the year 1644. He was a Yfingskin dude, and so that's a nice little discovery. He's actually this Armand Hemmery is actually he's kind of like Galileo, is that he discovered a lot of the planets in the general solar system. So the next planet, pretty sure is it? Yes, this is the. I'm pretty sure it's one of large. It's bigger than Jupiter, I think. Never mind. All right. I think it's bigger than Jupiter actually. Composition, is that right? Yeah, it's bigger than Jupiter by a bit. If we put on, actually, let's just put on enhanced. It actually has some rings. It has some nice, beautiful rings. Beautiful rings. It's nice. Ignore its rings are everywhere from earlier. But anyway, the next one on the list is gonna be. Oh yeah, also Yokodoko was discovered by Armand Hemmery again in 1656. So that's fun. And the next one's actually this is a fairly unique one. We have Tori Tortu and Momono. Yeah, Momono. This is Momono. Both discovered in 1666 by a dude named Roland Fougier. Yeah, that's definitely that one. Anyway, and so yeah, these two actually are these two actually they orbit around each other. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Obviously next we have asteroid belt. There it is, asteroid belt. The next one up is Terra, which is another gas giant. It's a fairly smaller one though. This is Terra, so this was actually discovered by this dude named Polichev Ruslan Tarasovich in 1677. That's where the Terra comes from, Tarasovich. Fairly okay planet, no rings, so it's kind of boring. The next one, I'm pretty sure, is Idris. This is named after an Oven god, actually, because a lot of the stuff in the so this is kind of the discoveries here was discovered by this dude named Shiba Tokimasa in the year 1958. And 1958 was another big year because another planet we're actually going to see was also discovered in 258. But the reason it's named after an Anovan god is because all this stuff was made. This was made in an Anovan. This discovery and the telescopes and such were done in an Anovan laboratory. So that's why they named them after Anovan dudes. The next planet is Roma, which is named after another like Relawlinian dude named Artemyev Roman Yermo Lechivit Chivit Chivich in 1955. So that's a very fun name. The Roman, the middle part of his name is where they get the Roma. So it's another. I think this is a gas. This is another gas giant. Pretty cool looking one actually. It's actually really small. So it's barely bigger than Earth. Not barely. That's 4 times bigger than Erna. But the next one is Athos, which was also discovered by the dude that discovered Idris. Yet again, Athos is another Anovan god. It is not a gas giant actually. It's barely bigger than Earth. And this is just it's just kind of vibing out here. And then I think the final one, no, the two ones actually, Udis, which was also discovered in a Anovan laboratory, was discovered by what Berlin dude with a Vietnamese name that I'm not even gonna try to pronounce. This is Udris. It is a gas giant. It is pretty cool. It's actually a bit bigger than Jupiter. Actually, I think technically it's is in this model is actually bigger than Yukudoku, but it's not actually. It's not actually in Erna. I didn't notice that until now. Anyway, this is Udris. Fun little planet. And then the final planet. This was discovered in 2000. What the fight? Are you kidding? Did it freaking Yukodoku? Uh, that's weird. Yeah, huh. Ring particle. Anyway, next one here. Not Udis, but let's just go. There we go. Ixia. This is essentially Pluto. Uh, Ixia was discovered by Ruby Fox in the year 2000. And so, yeah, that's kind of that's the Erna solar system a bit, right? You kind of get this general idea. Turn off the habitable zone. This is Erna. It looks fucking chaotic as shit. Jesus Christ. But yeah, there it is, and let's just let it play out a bit. Nice and fun.